This is a tutorial on braiding. We're going to start with 3 strands of the plastic that you've turned into yarn and tie all 3 of them in a knot at the very top. I had to put 2 pieces of tape down to make sure that it stays secure. Now you want to put as many pieces of tape as you need so that when you pull it, the strings do not move. In order to braid, you need 3 strings. You need 1 on the left side, 1 on the right side, and 1 down the center. Now the key to braiding is to take either one of these sides one at a time and bring it towards the center by folding it over the one that's in the center already. So I'll show you how to do this. I'm going to start with my left because I'm left-handed. If you are right-handed, you can start with your right. So I'm going to take this strand and move it towards the center, fold it over the string that's in the center, and move the center string to the left. So I'm switching positions. I'm having these strings switch positions. You do the same thing with the right. You take the right, you fold it over the center strand, bring the center strand over to the right side. So as you can see, the center changes, or the center string changes every time you do another step in this process. You take the left, again, fold it over. Make sure that you keep all of your strings separate so you know where your strings are. They don't get knotted at the bottom. You take the right, fold it over, and then you take the left and fold it over. So as you keep going, you're going to want to tighten each string by pulling every one just a little bit to make sure that the width, which is how wide this area is right here, stays the same. We want to do this for our sample because we want to show what a good consistent braid looks like. We don't want parts of it getting very lumpy or parts of it getting too skinny. Oops. There we go. Okay. So as it gets longer, you're going to want to pull it just a little bit more every time you fold a new strand over. So again, we bring the right, fold it over the center, take the center string and pull it over to the right. And then you take the left string, fold it over the center string, and then you take this string and pull it over just a little bit. Fold it over the center, and then take the other side and fold it over the center. And then you take the other side and fold it. So right now we've got our braid coming along. By the time you finish up with all of these, once you get to the very end of each of these strings, you're going to want to make a knot at the very bottom. So that means taking all of your strands. Here, I'm just going to pretend these are very long strands, but I'm just going to pretend we're done with this braid. And you're going to hold it out very straight, hold the ends out. And then you're going to want to, I like to wrap the loop around my finger, or 2 fingers. So you're going to want to make a loop with this part with the ends underneath and pinch it right there. So you've got this loop right here. And then you pull the ends through the loop, just like you're tying a knot. Okay, see, long strings. And now, okay, so now we've got the ends through the loop, and we're going to pull it tight. Okay, and that's how you make your braid. I'm going to bring this over and give you a close-up of what it looks like. That's how you make a braid.